Spencer, an electrical fire erupted just after 6 o'clock last night. It happened inside of a garage at 223 East 2nd Street. According to Spencer Fire Rescue, it was a fully involved fire with smoke rolling out of the garage. Once firefighters arrived on scene, the fire breached the roof, causing a partial collapse. Firefighters were able to gain control of the blaze and extinguish it. No injuries were reported.